Hey y'all, what I'm gonna do is cut some of these bolts out with an oxy-fuel torch from the bottom here. Get it from the bottom. I'll have somebody else pull it out from the top. Not all of them, just some of them, and we'll be replacing them. This setup.
Shows a lot of pressure coming out of these acetylene. I'm not sure that's right.
What is it? What number does it say?
It's like yeah. Kind of like that.
As y'all can see, they have been cut out. And then what I basically did was I melted the nuts off of them and cut some of the bottom of the bolt off and then pulled them out through the top. And then we'll be replacing them with new, better ones. And then I still got the other side, but that's what I've done.
Now I will start turning it a little bit and make sure the bolt doesn't turn. Bring it down a little bit, just a tiny. Okay, drop it. It's turning. Let me. Okay. I think you've got. I'm not on the nut, and I don't think I can do that. And you're going to give it pretty much all you got. All right. All right, here we go.
All right, she's on.
So you good?
Yes, sir.
All right.
So we put in the new hardware and painted them green to show that they're done. And we have a couple more on this side to do, and then I got to cut off some more on the other side. All right, y'all, so we got all the bolts put on this side, and this side's all good. Over here, we got them all cut out that needed to be cut out. Right there, and right there. And we don't have the rest of the hardware, but when we get that, we'll put that in. So this will be the end of this video.